news coming in. The ED has now presented explosive evidence in the Supreme Court through an affidavit, now revealing WhatsApp chats that allegedly have demonstrated how legal officers, viewers and supporters were mobilized to create chaos and obstruct proceedings in the Calcutta High Court. Now, this relates to disturbances during a hearing linked to ED raids on I-PAC premises. Republic TV has got this information. And we'll just tell you exactly what is happening. So this ED has presented explosive evidence in the Supreme Court through an affidavit revealing WhatsApp chats that allegedly demonstrated how legal officers and supporters were mobilized to create chaos and obstruct proceedings in the Calcutta High Court. ED shows a WhatsApp chat of how attempt was made to block the court. We'll put it out for you in a short while from now. And this WhatsApp chat in ED affidavit shows how legal officers were mobilized. WhatsApp chat shown in Supreme Court access by Republic TV. I want to go across to Kishale, who's joining us live. Kishale, if you could help our viewers, we have got that WhatsApp chat, by the way. Kishale, if you could just tell our viewers exactly what is in that WhatsApp chat. It's very clear that the attempt was made to block the court, and this has been accessed by Republic TV.
Well, exactly. This exclusive access to this WhatsApp chat leads to a lot of information that has now come to fore. First of all, this WhatsApp chat in this particular group that relates to the TMC legal cell at Calcutta High Court. This WhatsApp message says, today 9/1/2026, court number 5, item number 10, please come everyone. Everyone should come there. Why would everyone come there? The question is, why would everyone come to the courtroom number 5, item number 10, when the item number 10 is heard? What was the connection to this in Trinamool Legal Cell group? Because that time, this particular case of I-PAC and Mamata Banerjee against ED and ED against Mamata Banerjee and I-PAC, this was going on. This was heard. And we know that complete ruckus ushered in after that. Complete ruckus ushered in that whole situation where the hearing had to be adjourned just because these people came inside the courtroom, rushed in and created chaos. On the other hand, in the same message, in this next point, it has been said that gathering at 1 p.m. at B gate, come everyone, we will go to the procession of Honorable CM Mamata Banerjee. Buses and vehicles are arranged. So first of all these legal cell members, TMC legal cell members will come to the courtroom, they'll create a ruckus, they'll adjourn the hearing and they'll assemble at gate number B and they will take vehicles to go to Mamata Banerjee's rally. This is what the TMC was doing inside the High Court. TMC lawyers, legal cell members were doing inside the High Court, and this is what happened. Why the High Court hearing had to be adjourned, so that the TMC could buy more time, so that Mamata Banerjee could buy more time and set up her argument, set up a strategy, put more lawyers. So now it is very clear that it was all pre-planned, so that her argument, the whole case will be adjourned, so that her argument could be strategized even better. So this is completely illegal to pre-plan a chaos inside a High Court courtroom and ensure and force the situation where the hearing will be adjourned. High Court runs because we pay taxes, common people pay taxes, and now these TMC advocates and legal cell members allegedly stopped the hearing in order to buy more time for Mamata Banerjee. Exclusive WhatsApp chats accessed by Republic TV.
Yes, and on the backdrop of that, Kishale, we see that the SG Tushar Mehta had also said that to the Supreme Court that was a case where mobocracy, he's called it mobocracy, replaces democracy. In the backdrop of this, we have got these WhatsApp chats, Kishale.
Well, it was argued in the Supreme Court by the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that at one hand, Mamata Banerjee herself enters and tampers and attempts to hamper with the process of investigation. On the other hand, legal cell members of the TMC hampers the hearing at the High Court. So this is complete lawlessness, after which the Supreme Court also observed The justice, the bench of justice also observed very clearly that this would lead to lawlessness if no action is taken. They also pointed out how it is highly alarming that in the High Court there was a pre-planned chaos and disorder. Maybe these are not the words that are being said, but to that extent.
We have put that WhatsApp chat for our viewers to see, and this is the WhatsApp chat. ED has shown this exact WhatsApp chat of how the attempt was made to block the court and how legal officers were mobilized. And this has been accessed by Republic TV. And if you could help our viewers understand what exactly is written there, because some of it is written in Bangla, in Bengali. If you could just translate it for us, Kishile.
Well, exactly. I'll do that. This is allegedly a Trinamool Congress legal cell WhatsApp group. Now, someone named Rama Haldar or Rama Haldar is sending a notice. It's written notice. And the first notice is number 1 below notice is sent around, I believe, 9:43 a.m. 9:43 a.m. That is the time in which this message is sent. During this time, the message was sent in the group, and I'll read out. Number 1, Aaj 9/11/2026, court number 5A, item number 10, which means today, on this date, 9/1/2026, in court number 5, item number 10, which is up for hearing, আছে সবাই চলে আসবেন. This hearing is scheduled today. সবাই চলে আসবেন, which means everyone come there, everyone assemble there. Everyone should organize themselves and come to that courtroom at that particular time. Why? This has never happened. If a hearing is going on, only the parties which are connected to that hearing with that case would be present. Why everyone would be arranged like a political party meeting in a courtroom is a question. Now, the second point, number 2. আজ দুপুর 1টার সময় বি গেটে জমায়েত. Today, around afternoon 1 p.m., there is a gathering at gate number B of the High Court. সবাই চলে আসবেন, মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের মিছিলে যাওয়া হবে. Everyone come, and after that we all will be going to the rally by Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. বাস ও গাড়ির ব্যবস্থা আছে. There are arrangements of bus and cars. Anit Kumar Das, convener, High Court. This is probably the person who is the convener of the TMC legal cell. Allegedly, his name is Anit Kumar Das of the High Court, and he is sending this message. So it's very clear the ruckus that happened, the chaos that happened, the situation that went out of hand, so that the hearing had to be adjourned because of the situation, was pre-planned by allegedly TMC legal cell workers, members, and advocates. And they planned it, and then after creating ruckus, they went to Mamata Banerjee's rally. This is what happens in a high court in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee's Bengal.
Yes, and Kishore, now that the Supreme Court had issued notice to the Bengal government, what is next? Because now they have given time for the Bengal government to come out with a counter. So what can we expect next in this development?
Well, there has been 3 major developments. Number 1, there has been a notice issued to Mamata Banerjee. She has to answer that. She has to answer why she, being a political party leader, went to stop and interrupt an investigation of a money laundering case which connects with a corporate company. She has to answer to that. She has to answer why she interrupted and took away those files. And on the other hand, the Supreme Court has also stayed all FIRs against ED officials lodged by Kolkata police. Mamata Banerjee's police lodged FIR against ED officials, which is something that is now a joke in West Bengal, that ED officials who come to probe a case are now having FIRs on them by Kolkata police because Mamata Banerjee went there. So now those FIRs have been also stayed. Number 3, all the CCTV footages needs to be preserved.
Right.
And these CCTV
yes, Kishore. Yes. Well, Kishore, thank you for getting us all those details. We'll be coming back to you for more file chori controversy. Republic getting you every minute.